Hi children, how are you? I hope you all are fine and safe. Did you complete your yesterday homework? Open your mouth and say, did you complete your yesterday homework? Yes, I hope you have completed. Let's get back to our maths class. All of you listen. Children, in the previous class we have studied two-dimension shapes. Is there no ma? In the previous class we have studied two-dimension shapes, 2D shapes. Yes, shall we recall it? Okay, very good. All of you listen. The first one is square. Two-dimension shape means the first one is square. Okay, square means saduram. Square means saduram. Four properties are there. Yes, the first one, square has four sides. Square has how many sides? It has four sides, and all the four sides are equal, and all the four sides are equal. Square has four corners and two diagonals. Square has four corners, 1 2 3 4 4 corners and two diagonals. The two diagonals are equal. The two diagonals are equal. As or no, already we have studied. Yes, square has four sides. All the four sides are equal. Square has four corners and two diagonals. The two diagonals are equal. Okay, Mama. Then see the next one, rectangle. See the next one, rectangle. What is this picture, Ma? This is rectangle. Open your mouth and say the spelling for rectangle. RECTANGLE, rectangle. Rectangle means chevaham. Okay, open your mouth and say the spelling for rectangle. RECTANGLE, rectangle. Rectangle means chevaham. Okay, it has five properties. The first one, rectangle has four sides. How many sides? Rectangle has four sides. Two opposite sides are equal. Rectangle has four corners. Fourth one, rectangle has two diagonals. Fifth one, two diagonals are equal. Okay, Vama. First one, rectangle has four sides. Rectangle के नाल पक्कम उंडु. Two opposite sides are equal. எதிரெதிர் பக்கங்கள் சமம். Two opposite sides are equal. எதிரெதிர் பக்கங்கள் சமம். Rectangle has four corners. செவ்வகத்திற்கு நான்கு முனைகள் உண்டு. Rectangle has two diagonals. Okay, செவ்வகத்தில் இரண்டு மூலைவிட்டங்கள் உள்ளன. Two diagonals are equal. Okay, two diagonals are equal. இரண்டு மூலைவிட்டங்களும் சமமாக இருக்கும். இரண்டு மூலைவிட்டங்களும் சமமாக இருக்கும். Okay, Vama? Do you understand? Next, the third one. Third one, triangle. Okay, open your mouth and say the spelling for triangle. TRIANGLE, triangle. Triangle means mukkonam. Okay, triangle means mukkonam. Okay, open your mouth and say this spelling for triangle. TRIANGLE, triangle means mukkonam. Okay, a triangle has three sides. Okay, two properties are there. First one, triangle has three sides and three corners. முக்கோணத்திற்கு மூன்று பக்கங்களும் மூன்று முனைகளும் உள்ளன. Okay, Vama? Then types of triangles. They are given two types of triangles. Okay, isosceles triangle, scalene triangles. Okay, Vama? அசமபக்க முக்கோணம், இரு சமபக்க முக்கோணம். Okay, அசமபக்க முக்கோணம் and இரு சமபக்க முக்கோணம். Isosceles triangle and scalene triangle. Okay, Vama? Then next, What did study? Circle. Okay, open your mouth and say the spelling for circle. C-I-R-C-L-E. Circle. Open your mouth and say the spelling for circle. C-I-R-C-L-E. Circle. Circle means vattam. Okay, va-it-ta-im. Vattam. Okay, now listen. Circle means vattam. Okay, it has 4 properties. First one, circle is a closed curve. ஒரு மூடப்பட்ட உருவம் தான் என்னது circle. Okay, circle has no sides and no corners. It has a center point. It has a center point. Okay mama, circle is a closed curve. Circle has no sides and no corners. In circle க்கு எந்த பக்கமும் கிடையாது, முனைகளும் கிடையாது. Circle has a center point. Circle க்கு என்னது இருக்கு? மையப்புள்ளி, நடுவுல ஒரு என்னது சென்டர் பாயிண்ட் இருக்குது. ஓகேவாமா? வெரி குட். In this class we are going to learn about 3D shapes, 3-dimensional shapes. Okay mama, in this class we are going to learn about 3D shapes, 3-dimensional shapes. Okay, let's start. All of you listen. Sit one place and listen. Don't roaming here and there. Okay, I'm watching you, so all of you sit and listen. 3-dimension shape. Okay, T-H-R-E-E. 3. This is fourth one heading for lesson 1. Okay, 3 D-I-M-E-N-S-I-O-N. Dimension. S-H-A-P-E-S. Shapes. 3D shapes. S-H-A-P-E-S. Shapes. Okay mama, 3-dimension shape. T-H-R-E-E. 3. D-I-M-E-N-S-I-O-N. Dimension. S-H-A-P-E-S. Shapes. 3-dimension shapes. The short form 3D shapes. Okay, 3-dimension shape short form is 3D shapes. Okay, the first one cube. Okay, first we have to study the cube. All of you listen. First we have to draw one straight line, standing line, then one sleeping line, and another one standing line. First we have to draw a square. Okay mama, square வரைஞ்சாதான் cube draw பண்ண முடியும். Okay, first draw a square. This is square. Okay, open your mouth and say the spelling for square. Yes, Q-U-A-R-E. Square. Okay, very good. First we have to draw a square, then you draw one line here. Okay, up. Here also one, and here also one. Then we have to join these lines. Now we have to join these lines. Okay, now this is cube. What is this picture ma? What is this picture? Open your mouth and say, this is cube shape. Okay, what is this shape? This is cube shape. Do you know about cube? Cube தெரியுமா? தெரியாதா? Cube. Okay, open your mouth and say the spelling for cube. C-U-B-E. Cube. C-U-B-E. Cube. Okay mama, C-U-B-E. Cube. Cube means Gana Saduram. n s du r im Ganasaduram. Okay, Vama? 3-dimension shape. The first one is cube. Cube means Ganasaduram. 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 Okay. Some properties of cubes. Some properties of cube is here. The first one. A cube has 3 faces, 8 vertices and 12 edges. Okay, Mama? It has 6 faces, 8 vertices and 12 edges. A cube is a solid shape made of squares. Okay, a cube is a solid shape made of square. It has 6 faces, 12 edges and 8 vertices. Okay, Mama? Now listen. Objects such as ice cubes, sugar cubes, dice and chalk box resemble the shape of a cube. Okay. Properties of a cube is, first one, a cube has 6 faces, 8 vertices and 12 edges. Each face of a cube is square shaped. All faces of a cube are identical to each other. Okay, listen. A cube has 6 faces. Okay. The first property is, listen. Now, face means this place. Okay, this place is called face. Okay, this is called face, and this is vertex, and this is edge. Okay, Mama? Do you understand? This is vertex. Okay, here this is vertex. 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 Okay, this is vertex, and here this one face. 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 Then edge. Okay, EDGE. Edge. Okay, this is vertex, this is edge, and this one is face. Okay, now we have to count how many faces. 6 faces. Okay, Mama? Now listen. Here also we have to change some. Have to join here and join this one also. Okay, this is cube. Okay, Mama? Now listen the properties. The property number 1 is a cube. 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 HAS has 6 faces. 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 A cube has 6 faces. Second one, a cube. 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 HAS has 8 vertices. 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 AND and 12 edges. 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 A cube has 8 vertices and 12 edges. Then the third property is EAC. H, each. F-A-C-E, face. O-F, of, ear. C-U-B-E, cube. I-S, is. S-Q-U-A-R-E, square. S-H-A-P-E-D, shaped. Okay, Mama, listen. The first property is a cube has 6 faces. Yes or no? The first property is a cube has 6 faces. How many faces? 6 faces. Face means this blank space. Yes. Shall we count how many faces? 1. Okay. Shall we start here? Then only you can find easily. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. How many faces? How many faces? It has 6 faces. Okay, Mama? Do you understand? Do you understand, children? The outside boxes you have to count. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. How many faces? It has 6 faces. Okay, Mama? It has 6 faces. Then a cube has 8 vertices. A cube has 8 vertices. Listen. Vertices means this line. Okay, this joining point, that is called vertex. Okay, Mama, it has 8 vertices. Okay, shall we count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Okay, how many vertices? It has 8 vertices and 12 edges. Okay, now we have to find how many edges. Okay, edges means edge means munaigal. Okay, Mama. Now we have to find 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, how many edges? How many edges? 12 edges. Okay, Mama. A cube has 8 vertices and 12 edges. Purida? Can you understand? Cube has 6 faces. Okay, va? And the empty space irukkalama. Idudha enadhu? Face. Okay. Then 8 vertices means this line. Okay. This joining line is called vertices. Okay. Edge means endha line edu kuda joined agudho adala enadhu? Edge. Okay. Do you understand? Okay. Then see the next one. Each face of a cube is square shaped. Each face of a cube is square shaped. Okay, Mama? Square in the cube வந்து எதுல இருந்து வருது? ஸ்கொயர்ல இருந்து தான் நமக்கு கிடைக்குது. Okay, each face of a cube is square shaped. Okay, first we have to draw a square only, then we will get the cube. Yes or no? Yes, each face of a cube is square shaped. Okay, Mama? நம்மளுக்கு square shapeல இருந்தா என்ன கிடைக்குது? Cube கிடைக்குது. Do you understand? Okay, very good. Shall we see the next one? The next one. Listen. First we have to draw a rectangle. Okay. First we want to draw a rectangle. Take your scale and draw a line. Then have to draw here, here, then this side and here also. Okay, now we have to join the lines. Okay, this one, this line, join this line, then we have to join this one, then these two corners. Okay, okay mama, this is called a cuboid. Okay, what is this picture? What is this shape? This is cuboid. Okay, cuboid, 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 cuboid. Cuboid means ganachevaham. Gana ich say you the im ganachevaham. Okay mama, what is the shape? The shape is cuboid. cuboid, cuboid. Okay, cuboid means ganachevaham. Okay, some properties here. Listen, a cuboid has 6 plane surfaces. The first one, a cuboid, 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 has 6 plane surfaces. plane, plane. surfaces, surfaces. A cuboid has 6 plane surfaces. Then a cuboid, cuboid, cuboid has 8 vertices. vertices, 8 vertices and 12 edges. edges. A cuboid has 8 vertices and 12 edges. Then the third one, each, face, OF of a cuboid, cuboid, cuboid. IS is rectangular, rectangular. in shape, shape. Okay mama, listen, this is cuboid shape, this is a cuboid shape. Cuboid is called ganachevaham. Okay, first see the first one. A cuboid has 6 plane surfaces. 6 plane surfaces. Do you know plane surface? Plane surface. Flat surfaces are otherwise called as plane surfaces are planes. Okay, cubes and cuboids have flat surfaces. Cubes and cuboids have plane surfaces. Okay mama, plane means samadalama irukira oru idam. Okay, plane means samadalamaga ulla oru idam, equal space. Okay mama, how many plane surfaces? 6. Okay, Shall we count? Shall we count? Okay, very good. Listen. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. How many plane surfaces? 6 plane surfaces. Okay. Then 8 vertices. How many vertices? 8 vertices. Okay, Mama. How many vertices? 8 vertices. Shall we count? Shall we count? Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Okay, Mama. Then 12 edges. Okay, that's same. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, how many edges? 12 edges. Okay, then the last one. Each face of a cuboid is rectangular in shape. This cuboid look like a rectangular shape. Yes or no, ma? கனச்செவ்வகம் பார்க்கிறதுக்கு எப்படி இருக்கு? செவ்வகம் மாதிரி இருக்கு. Yes or no? Yes. Open your mouth and say any cuboid things. A cuboid also look like a box. It has 6 faces. Okay. The opposite faces of a cuboid are identical. For some example, fridge. Fridge is a cuboid shape. Fridge is a cuboid shape. Okay. Our pencil box. We have pencil box. Yes. The pencil box is a cuboid shape. And bricks. Bricks means chengal. Okay, chengal is in which shape? Is it cuboid shape? Okay, Mama. Chengal is in cuboid shape. Do you understand, children? Chengal is in which shape? Is it in cuboid shape? Okay, don't forget. Then first we have studied cube. Yes, C-U-B-E, cube. Cube means Ganasaduram. Then cuboid. C-U-B-O-I-D, cuboid. Cuboid means Ganasavaham. Okay, Mama? Do you understand? Do you understand? Okay. See the next one. Then see the next one. The next one, cone. Okay. Okay, Mama. Then we have to curved surfaces. Okay, it has curved surfaces. This is cone. Okay, what is this shape? This shape is called cone shape. Okay, Mama, this shape is called cone shape. Okay, listen. This is vertex. Okay, this is vertex. V-E-R-T-E-X. This is vertex and this is curved surface. Okay, Mama, இங்க உள்ள இருக்கிறது என்னது? Curved surface. C-U-R-V-E-D. Curved. S-U-R-F-A-C-E. Curved surface. Then this is edge. Okay, E-D-G-E, edge. And this is plane surface. P-L-A-N-E, plane. S-U-R-F-A-C-E, surface, plane surface. Okay, Mama, this is vertex, curved surface, plane surface and edge. Do you understand? Vertex, this is curved surface, plane surface means தட்டையான பகுதி. Okay, curved surface means வலைத்தள பரப்பு அல்லது பக்க பரப்பு. ஓகேவாம்மா? வலைத்தள பரப்பு அல்லது பக்க பரப்பு. That is called curved surfaces. That is called curved surfaces. Okay. Now listen. The first property is a cone, C-O-N-E, cone, H-A-S, has one P-L-A-N-E, plane, S-U-R-F-A-C-E. A cone has one plane surface. Okay. A cone has how many plane surface? A cone has one plane surface. Okay, Mama? Then the second one, IT, 8, HAS has one curved surface, C-U-R-V-E-D, curved, S-U-R-F-A-C-E. Okay, one plane surface and one curved surface. Okay, then the third one, a cone has C-O-N-E, cone, H-A-S has one vertex, V-E-R-T-E-X, vertex. ரெண்டு லைன் ஜாயின் பண்ணுற ஒரு பிளேஸ் பேர் தான் என்னம்மா? வெர்டெக்ஸ். ஓகே, ஹியர் இது வந்து லைன் கிடையாது, இது என்னது? கர்வ். ஓகே, திஸ் இஸ் சர்ஃபேஸ். ஸோ இது நம்ம என்ன பண்ண போகிறோம்? கவுண்ட் பண்ணுறது கிடையாது. எந்த ரெண்டு லைன் ஜாயிண்ட் ஆகிற பிளேஸோ தட் இஸ் கால்டு வெர்டெக்ஸ். ஓகே, எ கோன் ஹேஸ் ஒன் வெர்டெக்ஸ் and one circular edge. One circular edge, C-I-R-C-U-L-A-R, one circular edge, E-D-G-E, edge. Okay, a cone has, listen ma, a cone has one plane surface, only one plane surface. It has one curved surface and only one vertex and one circular edge. Okay, this is circular edge, only one circular edge. Okay, cone is very easy one. Okay, one plane surface, one curved surface, one vertex and one edge. Okay, Mama? Do you understand? Okay, now all of you open your max note. All of you open your max note. All of you open your max note. Take new page and write. Take new page and write today's class work. Take new page and write today's class work. Write neatly. Okay, Mama? Take new page and write neatly. Three-dimension shapes. T-H-R-E-E, three. D-I-M-E-N-S-I-O-N, dimension. S-H-A-P-E-S, shapes. Three-dimension shapes. First one, cube. Okay, cube. First, you just draw a square. Okay, then you have to draw this line. 1 and this 2, 3 and 4. Okay, then join the lines. Okay, Vama? CUBE, cube. Cube means Gana Saduram. Gana Sadurayim. Gana Saduram. Property number 1. A cube, 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 HAS has 6 FACES faces. Then the second property, a cube, 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 HAS has 8 vertices, 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 A and D, and 12 edges, EDGES, edges. A cube has 8 vertices and 12 edges. The third property is EACH, each, FACE, face, OF of a CUBE, cube, ISS, SQUARE, square, SHAPED, shaped. Each face of a cube is square shaped. Say and write, say and write. Then take the new page and draw cuboid. Take new page and draw a cuboid. Okay, CUBOID, cuboid. CUBOID, cuboid. GNH, say U, BKIM, Ganachavaham. The first property, a CUBOID, cuboid, HAS has 6 PLANE, plane, SURFACES, surfaces. A cuboid has 6 plane surfaces. Second property, a cuboid has a CUBOID, cuboid, HAS has 8 VERTICES, vertices, A and D, and 12 EDGES, edges. Then the third property is EACH, each, FACE, face, OF of a CUBOID, cuboid, ISS RECTANGULAR, rectangular, IN, SHAPE, shape. Each face of a cuboid is rectangular in space. Each face of a cuboid is rectangular in shape. Then third one, cone. Okay, cone, 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 cone. Cone means kumbu. Okay, Mama? Imbu, kumbu. Cone. Cone means kumbu. Okay, C-O-N-E, cone. Cone means kombu. The first property, a cone, C-O-N-E, cone, H-A-S, has 1, P-L-A-N-E, plane, S-U-R-F-A-C-E, surface, I-T, it, H-A-S, has 1, C-U-R-V-E-D, curve, S-U-R-F-A-C-E, face. It has one curved surface. Property number 3. Here, cone, C-O-N-E, cone, H-A-S, has 1, V-E-R-T-E-X, vertex, A-N-D, and 1, circular edge, C-I-R-C-U-L-A-R, circular edge, E-D-G-E, edge. A cone has one vertex and one circular edge. Okay, Mama? Then take new page and write today's homework. Take new page and write today's homework. W homework. Here you should write today's day and date. Okay, Mama? Take new page and write today's homework. Write with me. D-R-A-W, draw. D-R-A-W, draw. First one, square, S-Q-U-A-R-E, square. Then rectangle, R-E-C-T-A-N-G-L-E, rectangle. Then triangle, T-R-I-A-N-G-L-E, triangle. Circle, C-I-R-C-L-E, circle. Then cube, C-U-B-E, cube. C-U-B-O-I-D, cuboid. And cone, C-O-N-E, cone. Okay, Mama? Square, rectangle, triangle, circle, cube, cuboid, cone. This is today's homework. All of you do your homework yourself. Draw a picture. Draw your shapes. Okay. Is it not a picture? Is it shape? Okay, Mama? Draw a shape. Use your scale to draw. Draw it neatly. Okay. Next one we will see the next class. Take care, children. Thank you. Bye.